One of the questions that traders ask, especially beginners, is which time is the best to trade the forex market? And this is a very important question. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you in detail the best time that you can consider trading the forex market despite your time zone. And this is a very important thing because you don't want to trade at the wrong time or when the market is not favorable. So I will show you the exact time that market will be favorable for you despite your time zone. So if this is a content that you want, then watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. The first thing here is, if you come to trading view, I want to show you practically how to know the best time to trade for yourself, especially using your time zone. So when you come to trading view, the first thing you have to do is to put on an indicator called FX market section. So if I come right here to indicator, okay, so if I click on this indicator and then I search FX market section, it will bring up this indicator for me. So I put this on my chart, and once I put this on my chart right here, it's going to appear on my chart. Okay, so I will remove one, and once that appear on my chart, we are going to see the different sections in the market. That is the Tokyo section, we see the London section, in the New York section. These are the three important sections of the market. So with this section, we can begin to dive deep into which one is the best for you to trade despite your time zone. So before I dive deep into this, I want to show you three parameters that you have to consider when trading, especially during this best time. And these are the things that you must have to do during this best time of trading. And the first one here is volatility. You must trade when there is high volatility in the market. This is very important. Why? Because if you consider trading during the time of low volatility, that means the price movement will not be that much, and the capacity of the market hitting your target will be very, very slim. So therefore, we want to trade during the period of high volatility. And with that being said, if you look at this very chart and you discover during the London section, market move up, Tokyo section, very little movement using this very indicator. If you look at this New York section, market move significantly downward. And look at the London section right here, market move up a little bit. Look at Tokyo section right here, market did not really move much. Look at this very area, New York section, market move all the way downward. And look at London section as well, market move all the way downward. Remember, there are interconnection. That is when two sections interwoves, and that is one of the most time that you see this volatility in the market. And if you look at this Tokyo section, there is no volatility, low volatility. Look at London section and New York section, see that market move upward, significant volatility. Tokyo section right here, there was a significant volatility right at this point. And London section, market move up, but during the New York section, we see volatility into the Tokyo section from this very area. So from this very indicator, you can agree with me that on average, the best time for you to trade is during the London section or the New York section. That means if you don't have the time to trade during the London section, you can consider trading the New York section. This is very, very important. And one of the times you see that very significant volatility in the market is when these two sections interwoves. That is when these two sections overlap. That is the London section and the New York section. So you can choose between the London section or the New York section, which is best for you to trade. These two sections have one of the best volatility ever compared to the Tokyo section. Now, comparing the New York section and the London section happens to be one of the time you see best volatility in the market on average. But if you don't have time to trade on the London section, then you can consider trading the New York section. This is very important, and this is a time that you see high volatility in the market, and this is super important if you want to trade the best time. So what you have to do right now is to check the time zone you live in and consider trading either between the London section or the New York section, depending on your time zone. The next thing you need to consider right here is the currency pair. What I advise you do is you take into consideration the currency pair for that very section. Let's say, for example, you want to trade the New York section, and you have to trade currency that is paired with the United States dollar. And if you want to trade the London section, you have to trade the currency that is within the eurozone, that is the Great Britain pound and the euro, or the CHF, and all the currency within the eurozone. That is a currency pair you have to consider trading within that time. Why? Because during that time, the people within that very region are active in trading. Currency within that region is going to move upward or have high volatility within that very period. That is very, very important. And the next thing you have to put into consideration during this trading period is the news for the day. Okay, so you must have to put into consideration the news for the day by going to Forex Factory and consider the news for the day. Okay, personally, I don't advise you trading during major news events. In fact, during major news event is a time for you not to trade at all. Let's say, for example, there is a news event that is going to come on board in the next 1 hour, okay, and you are very sure of that very news event to impact the market. Please don't trade during that news event, or don't enter a position prior to that news event. Allow the news to happen, and the market should react to the news. Then you can then do a technical analysis of fundamentals after the news, then take your position. So the best time for you to consider trading the forex market is during the London section and the New York section, considering these three parameters: volatility, which is very important for all of us as traders, so that when we take a position, we are very sure the market is going to move either up or down. That is to overtake profit or hit us out of the market. The second thing is the currency pair. Trade within the currency pair for that very section, that is for country that operate within that very section. And the last thing is the news for the day, which is the third thing right here. Consider the news is very, very important. So this is the best time to trade, and you can use this very FX market section to determine which section is right now from the section that is to come next, and check the overlap between this section using this powerful indicator. So this is very important, guys. I hope you gain something valuable from this very video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description, and also in the pinned comment for more forex news, updates, technical analysis, and strategies. Join the link in the description right now and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for your support.